Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jess. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and join the family. Here on my channel, I upload beauty, fashion, lifestyle, hair, food, all types of videos. So if any of that interests you, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Also, while you're down there, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and it helps you out at all. It really helps my channel and we would love to grow the family here on YouTube. So yeah, for today's video, I have my top 5 shampoos for relax / TEXLAXED hair. I'm really excited for this video. You guys really like this one. I think I uploaded my last one 2 or 3 years ago, which is crazy because, you know, some of my favorites have changed. And yeah, I'm really excited for this video. If you guys are too, let's go ahead and get right into it, shall we? Alrighty guys, this isn't going to be in any particular order. I feel like my hair is all over the place. I'm so sorry. This isn't going to be in any particular order. These are just all of my favorites. So first off, I have to honestly say this is my favorite. I just lied to you guys. But this, if you guys have been watching my videos recently, then you know that the Care Moisturizing Shampoo for color treated hair has been my favorite shampoo. Now, I gotta say that it beat out the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line from Shea Moisture. I know, who is she? She thinks she's brand new or whatever. But since I colored my hair, I have been looking, like I told you guys, for a good shampoo for color treated hair. I dyed my hair black. As you guys can see, it's still black. So this shampoo is working really well. But I forgot who recommended this. I can't remember who. It was on YouTube though, and I have not stopped using it since. It is so good. I am probably about here on the bottle now, and I got this for Christmas. So, I mean, it's February, so I have to say that it's been lasting me pretty well because it lathers like a dream, you guys. You do not need a lot of this product to get a really, really nice, deep lather in your hair, which I absolutely love. But it is super moisturizing. It does not strip my hair. It just makes my hair clean without all of the extraness and everything like that. It is so, so good. I love it. I use this in conjunction with the moisturizing conditioner from the color treated line as well. And it just keeps my hair popping. It makes it look still black, which I really love because my hair just does not like to take color, which is very annoying. But I absolutely love this so, so much. I just really, I feel like even when I don't think I'm ever going to go back to light hair, honestly, I just feel so much more myself with black hair. But even if one day I did go back light, I think I would still continue using this, honestly, because it is just such a good product and it is just amazing. I cannot say enough good things about this one. Next up, I just had to mention her. I had to. She was my old reliable, like she's the GOAT, okay? This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo from Shea Moisture. This has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. It says it cleanses and nourishes natural, chemically processed, or heat-styled hair. And of course, I am relaxed, so chemically processed. And this, if you guys need a shampoo that is not going to strip your hair, this is it. Like this, I have used this so many times and not once has my hair ever felt stripped after using this, which I really appreciate because when I'm washing my hair, I want to cleanse my hair, but my hair, once it feels stripped, it's really hard for me that wash day to add the moisture back into it and it feel the same as like if I was using a shampoo that was non-stripping, if that makes sense. So I feel like you guys can understand that once your hair is stripped, I just feel like it's just lifeless for that wash day, honestly, and like you either have to like start all over again or you just gotta wait till next wash day, girl, which is never fun. Like you always want your hair to look poppin' after wash day. And with this one, it always does. It's old, reliable. I just like the Care just a little bit more just because it is color safe. This one is color safe as well, but I just feel like that one is like just a little bit better for my color treated hair. And yeah, but I absolutely love this one. I switch back and forth sometimes. This one, when I'm feeling, sometimes this one is in my other bathroom and this one's right here handy. I'll interchange the two. These are pretty much in the same spot, but I just like this one a little bit more. But this is amazing as well. I use the deep conditioner treatment from this. I use the leave-in conditioner from this. I use the regular conditioner from this line. This whole line, I don't know what I'll do if they ever discontinue the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line. And I really, honestly, truly, guys, have to attribute this line to my hair growth. I have really gotten some length on my hair. You guys can't tell right now because it's curled. But I really think that this attributed a lot to that, because when I was first starting my hair journey, first started out on my channel, starting relaxed hair videos, this is the shampoo line and conditioner that I used, and I used this religiously. Like every wash day, I used this for a really long time because I wasn't really I was really new to the relaxed hair community and didn't realize like reviews and stuff like that, so I ended up switching out stuff, but I'm glad that I did because I feel like my hair would have gotten used to this shampoo and conditioner line, and then I would have just been heartbroken. So another shampoo that you guys actually saw me review here on my channel is the Maui Moisture Color Protection and Sea Mineral Shampoo for color treated hair. I don't necessarily love this one for color treated hair. I understand that it says that, but I don't think it helped with my keeping my color necessarily, but it is a really good shampoo for I feel like, I don't know how to describe it, for moisturizing, not necessarily, but it's non-stripping, which I like. You guys will hear an ongoing, theme here is that I don't like stripping shampoos. So I feel like this one is really good if you're blonde, I feel like this would work really well for you. Or if you have like a lighter color dye, not black necessarily. I did find with this one a little bit of my color did run off, which I didn't enjoy, but it just made my hair feel really good, if that makes sense. So I don't necessarily use this for the color care option of it. I feel like the Care and the Jamaican Black Castor Oil work a lot better for that, but this video isn't supposed to be like just for color treated hair. I wanted to make it for, everyone. So this one, I feel like for relaxed hair, it really softened my new growth. That's what it was. I was like, why did I like the shampoo so much? I couldn't think of it, but it's because it really softens my new growth, and I am currently, I think, almost 13 weeks post-relaxer. I got my last relaxer the week of Halloween. I think it was the day before Halloween. And this is really good. This is really good for not stripping your new growth, because I feel like a lot of shampoos, they can work really well on my new growth and then not work well on my relaxed hair, or vice versa. And this one works really well on both, so that's why I like this one so much. I could not think of it because I was like, it didn't really help my color, but I wanted to, like I said, mention shampoos that weren't just great for color, and this one was that. So it was good for color. The other two that I mentioned before were much better for color, but this one was really great for my new growth. So if you guys are looking for a shampoo that moisturizes your new growth and your relaxed ends, this is it, sis. This is it. Another Maui Moisture one. This is the Maui Moisture Lightweight Hydration and Hibiscus Water. This one is for all hair types, and this one smells so good. It just smells so fruity. You smell like a Starburst. But I really like this shampoo because it's actually really hydrating. And there's a difference between hydrating and moisturizing, okay? So this one, after this one, I don't feel like this one is actually very stripping at all because it's sulfate free. So I don't think that this one is stripping for my color, I mean, at least, not stripping, like stripping in general. But it's actually really nice. It's really great for my new growth as well. It doesn't leave my hair feeling like that, straw consistency that you'll never catch me with straw hair, okay? But I like this one a lot for hydration purposes, this is really great for the winter time, I find, because I like moisturizing things, but I sometimes just need my hair to be hydrated, you know, like sometimes I just feel in the wintertime, not that my hair, I moisturize and seal my hair all the time, but sometimes my hair just needs like water, like hydration, like almost like you guys, it's like thirsty for water, not necessarily like oils or moisturizers and stuff like that, but like almost just like it needs more water. So I find that whenever that happens and I used this shampoo, it just really made my hair like better, almost from like the inside out. Like I feel like this one seeps in and really coats my strands and hydrates them more so than just moisturizing them and making them shiny, if that makes sense. This makes my hair feel stronger and more hydrated and just really, really good. I'm not going to say moisturized because that's not what it makes it feel like. It's hydrated. You know what I mean? So I feel like if you guys are into hair and you know your hair, you know what the difference between when it's hydrated and moisturized. So that's the difference between these two shampoos. I feel like with this one, it's more moisturizing. With the three before this, those are more moisturizing, and this one's just super hydrating, and it's really good for your hair. The last shampoo that I want to talk about, I actually don't have it here in front of me, but it is the Nexxus Humectress shampoo. This is the shampoo that my stylist actually uses on me, and it is so, so good. It's just a little pricey for me right now, but I have been loving the Care also, so I feel like I'm going to repurchase the Care before the Nexxus Humectress, but that's just me personally. The Nexxus one, it just really, really, really is just like, if you need a shampoo that you know, no matter what, it's not going to fail you, that's the shampoo that you need. It's so just, it's the perfect mixture of like really like cleansing, but moisturizing and hydrating as well. I find that after my stylist uses that, after I get a relaxer, even when I get like a wash and set and everything like that, that my hair just feels so cleansed, but it doesn't feel stripped, which, you know, I sound like a broken record, but I love that feeling so much, and I know that my hair, like I said, once it's stripped, it's stripped. Yeah, okay? So I really love that one. I love the conditioner from that line as well. It smells so good, and I put that on my new growth, and that conditioner is so good as well. The Nexxus Humectress is also amazing on my new growth. With that one, I use that one when I'm getting closer to it being time for my relaxer, because I know that that one will really, really cleanse my new growth, because sometimes I feel like my new growth can get like not gunky, but just like really traps the oil, because I have thick new growth, I have thick hair. So I feel like sometimes with these shampoos, it's not necessarily cleansing enough for my new growth, but these are really good at softening my new growth. But with the Nexxus one, it's really good at softening and cleansing my new growth, if that makes sense, and my relax ends as well. I don't want you guys to think that it's just for new growth, but yeah, the Nexxus Humectress line is amazing. It is so good. If you really want to take your hair game to the next level, if you really want to take your hair care game to the next level, I highly suggest the Nexxus Humectress line. When I was starting to grow out my hair, because I did have a little bit of a setback where I like not burned off my edges, but I did kind of like, they were a little bit crispy. They were just a little bit shorter than the rest of my hair. Obviously, you guys can see they caught up, so everything is good. But I would go for like a wash and set like every 2 weeks during that time, and that is the shampoo and conditioner that my hairstylist used, and that I feel like really brought my hair back to life. As you guys can see, we're back and better than ever. But that is my top 5 shampoos for relax/TEXLAXED hair. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up before you leave, and leave me your favorite lines down below. I really want to try out more hair care lines. I'm sorry, I had a brain fog. More hair care lines this year, because I am just so excited about my hair journey. It has just been so fun, and growing here on my channel, my relaxed hair community, it's just been amazing, and I'm just so happy, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you like this video, and yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I love you girls so much. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you girls. Mwah. Bye.